My dear friends, viewers, fans, brother, sister, elder, younger, all the best wishes to you all. Today I am uploading video in translated in English because several people suggested me to speak in English as well. This video uploading this is a particular video for that I have been advised by some subscriber and many other viewers speak in English so that they can understand. So I am uploading this thing. My dear viewers and friends, this is very important to understand the facts and the science behind this particular mudra for wealth and prosperity. Wealth and prosperity is very important in life. Without this, we cannot move our life smoothly. Therefore, we have to spend half an hour in morning and half an hour in evening to perform this mudra. This mudra will bring your mind in peace. All the negative thoughts will go out of your mind and positive thoughts will appear in your mind. By this mudra, your mind will go in deep and subconscious mind will get activated by this mudra. And whatever programming at that time you will do, it will be in your subconscious mind, and subconscious mind will encourage your activity without informing conscious mind. So subconscious mind is very important in our body parts. All the activity, all the desire, all the wishes can be fulfilled if you do neuroprogramming, and this can be permanent if subconscious mind is get activated. This mudra will activate your subconscious mind and it will connect you with cosmic energy which is all around us. But one more thing I want to tell you, our brain has a capacity to connect with cosmic energy. As soon as flow of cosmic energy will come in your brain through mind, subconscious mind particularly, then you will be connected with God or infinite. Infinite is infinite. Infinite can give you many things. Infinite is a main reservoir from where we are getting everything. If we will get connected, then you will get everything and your all desire will be fulfilled, all the wishes, good wishes. Then you have to move for this mudra. Do it for half an hour morning and half an hour in evening. How to do this I will explain you. We have five fingers in each hand. Now this is one hand I am showing you. You fold this two. I have folded these two fingers, little finger and ring finger. Other two are straight. Now straight I will join this with my thumb. Okay? In other hand you bind this thing in other hand also. This is another hand. Do it like this and this. In both the hand we have binded this mudra. Okay? Have you seen? Again I am doing. Okay? If you are sitting in the chair, you do it If you are sitting in a lotus posture, you can do it. Now you are seeing how I have kept my both the hands above the legs and I am sitting in Sukhasana. This is called Sukhasana. Sukhasana is also one of the asana. You can perform a mudra for half an hour and your mind, your brain, your body will come in proper alignment. Now you are attuned with cosmic energy and do it for half an hour every day. This mudra will take you in deep meditation. While doing this mudra, take the breath very slowly, as slow as possible, and close the eyes and watch it, your inner thoughts and being, what is going on inside the mind. Gradually, you will find mind is not generating negative thought. Only you are empty. Gradually you will feel your mind is empty. At that time, you have to program whatever wish you want. If you want money, then give the instruction, let me have money, let me have money, let me get money, let me get money, 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 money. In this way, speak in mind only. This signal will go to your subconscious mind and subconscious mind will get activated and it will perform, it will send the signal to universe and universe has infinite and things will be moved in your code and your wishes will get completed in very short time. But do it minimum for 40 days or 90 days till wish is fulfilled. And thereafter also you can perform, and this is highly meditative mudra. You will feel that you are now peaceful, calm and quiet. This mudra will enhance your prosperity, your peace. It will fulfill your wishes. Many kind of wishes can be fulfilled by this mudra. This is very scientific and very good and very ancient mudra. Many people has taken advantage of this mudra. They are going in peace and getting whatever they have desire. Desire will be fulfilled by the infinite God. God is infinite and infinite is very powerful. Infinite is infinite, we are finite. So we have to establish the link from infinite to finite. And finite is very small as compared to infinite. And many finite God fulfilled their wishes by the blessing of infinite.